today I'm going to show you how to make vegan cheese using cashews. It's a very simple recipe. I've tried it before with using agar flakes and it came out more like a cream cheese texture. So I'm going to be using the agar powder this time. I'll be adding in my cashews, lemon juice, water, nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and paprika. Carrot, this is vegetable bouillon, better than bouillon, and a little green onion. Coconut oil. And this is the refined. Give this a good blend. Okay, we're gonna leave this in the blender and I'm gonna go to the stove. I have 1 cup of water already put in a saucepan. I'm gonna add the agar powder. I'm gonna have to bring it to a boil and let it boil for 1 minute. You just have to keep on stirring so it doesn't stick or boil over. Okay, when this is all thickened up, I'm gonna remove it from the heat and then I'm gonna pour it into the Vitamix with the cashews and then blend it a little bit. Okay, I just got this off the stove after boiling a minute. I'm gonna add it into the blender. Gotta be quick before this starts to set. Get this mixed up. I think that should do it. Looks pretty saucy. Now this is my mold I'm using. It's just a glass square bowl. Pour it right in there. Let's give it a little taste. Very good. Put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. The longer you leave it, the more it'll have time to set. So, okay, it's been 2 hours since we put our vegan cheese in the refrigerator. So we're gonna go ahead and try and pop it out of this mold onto a plate and see if we can slice it and shred it, what it looks like. See if I can get it away from the sides a little, just to unstick. There we go.
Ooh, nice.
So it looks pretty firm. Cut right down the middle.
This is vegan cheese.
So it slices really well. Take a chunk of it. See if we can put it on the shredder here. If you wanted to shred some for pizza.
Ooh, it shreds very nice.
Yes, it is shredding. Let's see.
How is it, Mom?
It's really good.
Good.
And is it good?
Very good. And it's very easy to cut. This is really good with cheese, even though I think it's pretty good by itself too. And vegan cheese made with cashews.